Hello and welcome to this short video tutorial. My name is Nicholas from Office Superheroes. Today I'm going to show you a very simple and quick tutorial on how to add time in Excel. In addition, we'll show you how to add time when the total exceeds more than 24 hours. Let's do it. In the last video, we demonstrated how to total the hours worked. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to add up the hours already worked for the entire week. Remember, before we can start adding time, we need to have the cells that contain the time record formatted correctly. To see how to properly format cells, watch our video on the Office Superheroes channel called How to Insert and Format Time in Excel. If we have everything set up correctly, we can move on. First, we click on the cell we want the result to appear in. We enter an equals sign, which is sort of a signal to Excel that we're going to enter a formula. We enter sum. This function is used when calculating the sum. Click to select it and Excel will add the formula to the cell. Now select all the cells that contain the time we want to add. When we have the cells selected, we press enter. As we can see, the time took us over 24 hours. The sum of 7 hours is definitely not correct. Let's take a look at it and correct this error. All we have to do to get the time to display correctly is to adjust the formatting. Right-click on the cell and select Format Cells. A tab will appear and we will select Custom. Now we need to select the formatting option where the letter H is in square brackets. Since we don't want the seconds to show up in the calculated time, we'll just remove them. Now we're only showing hours and minutes. We'll click the OK button. Now we have the number of hours worked calculated correctly. It was easy, wasn't it? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If so, let us know via comment or liking. Are you interested in other videos on how to quickly learn how to work with Excel? In that case, don't forget to subscribe. That's all for me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes and I hope to see you in the next video.